PICUN G2 unboxing. Let's see. Bluetooth with a piece. Technical difficulties right now. Finally got it. Got help, by the way. Damn, this shit is like... There we go. Got that new box now, too. Unboxing, doing it the wrong way like an idiot. Okay. Woo! 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 Nice weight to it. Detachable headset. Oh no, okay, it goes inside. So I'm done. Just put it back inside. Pause. Okay. Turn it on. Bottom left. Does it make a noise? No noise, but you'll know when the light turns on when it's blue. Okay, and the headset turns up. It lights up as well. Okay. Bluetooth piece. Okay. Bluetooth cap. Put it inside the PC. Okay. We are all set. Let's put it on. Get the audio. No, not yet. So. Oculus virtual audio device. Let's see. Okay, it's not on yet. There we go. The audio is really good. The bass is very good too as well. I think I definitely can hear footsteps better. I like this. This is really good. All right. Finally got a new headset. USB-C charging. I guess when you charge it like that. There's also, is there more accessories to it? Yeah, you have a wire as well. Wires. So you have wires for travel use, I believe so. Like, use it outside. Headphone jack. And also USB-C. USB to USB-C. So everyone's going to USB-C now. A lot of USB-Cs happening. You got like USB to USB or USB to the old iPhone, you need to upgrade. But yeah, that's stuff. PICUN G2. glowing LED lights, 3 types of connectivity, noise canceling headphones too, and microphone. 7.1 surround sound.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you've got it. Stand on the hill and defend it to score.
Hill move. Power weapon inbound. Kickoff. New power weapon in the arena. Double kill.
Enemy is scoring on the hill.
I don't know how I feel about this carbine. Close. Yeah, I can't tell about the carbine up close like this. Very sorry rifle. No, I know.
Hill
Go to the hill,
contested.
boys. You can shoot through the... Okay. Good to know.
Hill moving.
How do you know I'm going to go
Get a
through there?
chance for payback soon.
Double kill. We are so back.
We gotta come back.
The hill is yours. That crown looks good on you.
Power weapon inbound.
Oh, this kid is pushing me.
New power weapon in the arena.
Supposed to die, bro.
And scoring.
Close one. Payback. Hill move. Avenger.
Bro, die. Like, hello? Where am I getting shot from? Where am I getting shot from?
Hill moving. Double kill. Triple kill. Our weapon inbound. Heating up. New power weapon in the arena. Double kill, triple kill.
Holding the hill.
Double kill, on fire.
10 kills. You're on a roll.
Triple kill. Payback.
We're scoring.
Payback. Closing in on victory.
They're closing in on the win. Don't let them get there.
Hill contested. Payback. Double kill. Halfway there.
Halfway to the scoring threshold.
Triple kill.
Enemy taking the hill.
Double kill. Heating up. Triple kill. Double kill.
The hill is yours. That looks good on you.
Power weapon inbound. You lost.
And that's the fact.
Fucking like lost
Don't worry.
at the beginning.
Get him next time.
Oh, you press the back button, you can see the kills.